opening statements today in Donald Trump's criminal trial in New York. Prosecutors arguing he took part in a criminal scheme while running for the White House.
But the former president says he did nothing wrong. WGN's Kelly Davis has more from the trial's first day. Kelly.
Right, and Micah, today was just day one. We've got about 6 weeks left to go, or so they say. And today, jurors got a glimpse of the arguments both sides plan to make over the course of this historic trial.
This will go on for a long time. It's very unfair.
Former President Donald Trump weighs in after his hush money case gets underway.
It's a case that, if you're looking back, it goes back many, many years, 2015. Maybe before that.
The prosecution and defense teams presented opening statements as Trump looked on. Trump faces 34 counts of falsifying business records related to his reimbursement of longtime lawyer Michael Cohen for hush money payments. Prosecutor Joshua Steinglass says, quote, "This case is about a criminal conspiracy and a cover-up. The defendant, Donald Trump, orchestrated a criminal scheme to disrupt the 2016 presidential election, then lied by covering it up with these business records over and over again." Trump's lawyers called the payments legitimate legal expenses, saying, quote, "I have a spoiler alert. There's nothing wrong with trying to influence an election. It's called democracy. There is nothing wrong or illegal about entering into an NDA, period."
Puts in an invoice or whatever, a bill, and they pay and they call it a legal expense. I got indicted for that. What else would you call it?
Testimony also began today, the former publisher of the National Enquirer taking the stand. Prosecutors say David Pecker met with Trump and his then lawyer Michael Cohen in 2015, agreeing to help them identify negative stories about Trump. Trump claims the entire trial is a witch hunt to keep him off the campaign trail.
I should be in Georgia now. I should be in Florida now. I should be in a lot of different places right now campaigning, and I'm sitting here.
Prosecutors also say Trump is violating his gag order in this case. The judge scheduled a hearing tomorrow morning to consider that, and that will not be done in the presence of the jury.
Thank you, Kelly.